France is a country famous for its rich culture, history, and beautiful landscapes. From the Eiffel Tower to the Champs-Élysées, there's no shortage of things to see and do. But with all the excitement of exploring a new country, it's important not to forget about practicalities such as car insurance. Cut to a man standing in front of his car. Voiceover. If you're planning on driving in France, it's essential to have car insurance. Not only is it a legal requirement, but it can also give you peace of mind in case of an accident or theft. Cut to a shot of a car accident on a French road. Voiceover. In France, there are two types of car insurance: third-party liability and comprehensive. Third-party liability insurance is mandatory and covers damage to other people or their property if you're at fault in an accident. Comprehensive insurance covers your own car as well as third-party liability. Cut to a shot of an insurance agent speaking with a customer. Voiceover. When it comes to choosing a car insurance policy, there are a few things to consider. Firstly, your driving history and the type of car you own can affect the cost of your insurance. Secondly, it's important to shop around to find the best deal and compare the different policies available. Cut to a shot of a man filling out paperwork. Voiceover. To get car insurance in France, you'll need to provide some information about yourself and your car. This may include your driver's license, car registration documents, and proof of address. Cut to a shot of a woman receiving a phone call from her insurance company. Voiceover. If you do have an accident or need to make a claim, it's important to contact your insurance company as soon as possible. They'll be able to guide you through the process and help you get back on the road as quickly as possible. Cut to a shot of a man receiving a bill from his insurance company. Voiceover. Finally, it's important to remember that car insurance in France is not cheap, and the cost can vary depending on a number of factors. However, by choosing the right policy and taking steps to reduce your risk, such as driving carefully and parking in a safe area, you can keep the cost of your insurance down. Closing shot of a car driving off into the French countryside. Voiceover. So if you're planning on driving in France, make sure you have the right car insurance policy in place. By doing so, you'll be able to enjoy all the beauty and excitement this country has to offer, while staying safe and protected on the road. Azambrother. Write more on this topic. In addition to third-party liability and comprehensive insurance, there are also optional additional coverage options available in France. These include coverage for fire and theft, as well as legal protection in case of disputes related to your car. It's also worth noting that French insurance companies often take into account the age of the driver when calculating premiums. Younger drivers, particularly those under 25, may face higher insurance costs due to their perceived higher risk on the road. To keep the cost of your car insurance down, you can take steps to reduce your risk on the road. This includes driving carefully, following traffic laws, and avoiding distractions such as using your phone while driving. You can also consider taking a defensive driving course, which may lower your insurance premiums. Another way to save on car insurance in France is to compare prices from different insurance companies. Online comparison websites can be a helpful tool for finding the best deal, but it's important to read the fine print and understand exactly what each policy covers before making a decision. When purchasing car insurance in France, it's important to understand the terms and conditions of your policy. This includes any deductibles or excesses that you may be responsible for in case of an accident, as well as any limitations on coverage. Overall, while car insurance may not be the most exciting topic to think about when planning a trip to France, it's an important consideration for anyone planning to drive in the country. By understanding the different types of coverage available, shopping around for the best deal, and taking steps to reduce your risk on the road, you can enjoy your time in France with peace of mind.